She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and here's the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to MrsJones Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to switch it up a little bit. First off, I'm in the video. I'm going to go ahead and possibly start giving you guys a little bit more personable videos. If that's something that you would like, put in the comments if you'd like to see me along with the recipes, or if you feel like the food is good enough. For today's recipe, it was inspired by one of my friends. She actually has a channel on YouTube. Her name is MeAnd MrsJones. So if you don't know about MeAnd MrsJones, definitely please go ahead and check out her channel. But one thing that you probably do know if you watch her is that she likes to call all of her friends and family hummingbirds. So in this case, I thought it was suitable to go ahead and make MeAnd MrsJones a hummingbird cake. So as you can see, this is the cake in front of me. I'll go ahead and put on the screen all of the ingredients that go along with this cake. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Hopping on the plane, hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same? Down, 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 down. Knew you was different from the start, love. How you learn? They never taught love. You keep it peaceful and equal. I'm used to wars, love, hard love. I'm used to trauma, used to drama. Got a list of bad exes, plus I got a baby mama. Still you keep it solid. Put that on my mama and them. Way you build me up, you probably add an extra accommodation, destination, running to a flight. We ain't never coming back. I hope you didn't pack light. We should run away to about a day. Pack a bag, cop a couple tickets, hopping on the plane. Hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same? Down, 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 down. Is it selfish that I want you all on me, loving all on me, touching all on me, f***ing all on me? Girl, be honest. 30,000 feet and we can leave the world behind us. Cause we keep it raw. I'ma hit it with no. I'ma hit you with my soul. I'ma hit you with these goals. You should probably leave your phone. Ain't no service where we go. But you can't be iffy. Baby, tell me where you at. You can choose the destination. Put your finger on the map. We should run away to about a day. Pack a bag, cop a couple tickets, hopping on the plane. Hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same? Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. work it, cannot hold, overflows, become one. Now work it, don't just stop. Let me see you pop at the barbershop. Work it, cannot hold, overflows, become one. Now work it, don't just stop. Let me see you pop at the barbershop. Getting ready for the show, little soldiers in a row. Watch them closely when they go, go, go. Falling in and out of low, little soldiers in a row. You can't hate them anymore.
So that was the recipe. Now let's go ahead and give this cake a try. Again, like we said, we've got the toasted pecans all around the top and then all around the bottom. And we've got this delicious homemade cream cheese frosting. It's pretty much like a buttercream and a cream cheese together. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I wanted to cut this with you guys, so you're gonna see for the first time what I'm gonna see. So hopefully it turns out okay. I want to get a nice piece with everything on there. Alright, it ain't gonna mess. I'm gonna eat though. There's nuts inside. Ooh, on the outside. Y'all. Make sure I can get it all. Look at that. Alright, you guys, so there is a cake. You can see that. Little thumbnail action. Here's our cake. That look good, guys. So let's go ahead. I'm ready to dig into this. When I was cutting it, it seemed like it was so moist. Oh wow. Yes, it's very, very moist. I'm gonna give you guys a bite. Okay, you guys ready? Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. First off, the cake is super moist. Super duper moist. Okay? And then look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. But it's got the nuts inside. I can taste the cinnamon. I can taste the banana. The pineapple. And then this homemade cream cheese buttercream frosting. It adds that nice little tang that the cake needs, because you know it's sweet, so it balances off really good. Some pineapple. This cake would be perfect for the spring. Perfect for Mother's Day. Oh my gosh. Give this a try, especially if you like pecans. If you like bananas and pineapple. Who would have known that bananas and pineapple would go so good together? I don't know. A match made in heaven. Like, delicious, okay? So guys, definitely give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed, especially if you love all the flavors that I mentioned. Of course, if you don't like some of the flavors, you might not like it, but I love all of these flavors and they went together perfectly. Also guys, too, please don't forget to go ahead and check out my friend MeAnd MrsJones on her YouTube channel. She will definitely welcome you with open arms. Go ahead and just stop by there and just say, hey, Hummingbird, and I'm pretty sure that she will open her channel up to you. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe and this little mukbang. What should I call them? Should I call it maybe like Shan's tasting or something? A Shan. What's the word that starts with S? Or it could be like Shan's scrumptious bites or Shan samples. Shan samples maybe. Some type of segment like that. I'm really thinking about implementing myself more into my cooking videos, as I said. So let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. The video will still be quick and easy. Just let me know if you like these kind of videos, and we'll see if we can go ahead and maybe start something new. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching.